your body is going to be the reflection of your genetic archetype. Think of your body as a printout of a certain archetype. So what are archetypes? Healer, warrior, builder, medicine man, medicine woman, jester, magician, all the things in tarot. The blueprints and archetypes are also zodiac signs. So Leo, Cancer, Taurus, Aries, all these things. Archetypes are projector in human design, generator in human design, reflector in human design, manifester in human design, INFP, NTJ, and Myers-Briggs test. All these are archetypes. Fire, and then you got fiery king, which is the sun. Then you got fiery adolescent, which is Mars. There's the planets. Many, many typologies, many archetypes in this world. Animals, for example, totems. These are all shamanic practices, Jungian archetype practices. It is the feminine brain, the wild subconscious psyche, which prints out your body. The subconscious is the body. The conscious is your mind and personality. Whenever people talk about the subconscious, it's your body's intelligence. It's basically all the intelligence inside your body, that it's not just purely logic-based and head-based. So if you do nothing, your body becomes like a noodle. Your body just, think of it like a program, and you have to be the one to input what you want it to be, to input the codes. So for example, I wake up in the morning and there's nothing that I've put into my code, my program. With your codes, you give instructions to the field what you want your body to be. So codes can be like a Shaolin form or Qigong. And in that way, you are energetically accessing the library, the archive of forms that all the Shaolin monks deposited their energy into. They are the ancestors of the forms. And when you do these things, you access that library. If you do a yoga practice, you're accessing the library more connected to the Vedas, to Indian lineage and their archetypes. And your body goes into, let's say, more of a water earth type of archetype. If you go into like a Shaolin form, like a Lohan 13 is like a ball on a chain with like a monkey type style. Then you're encoding your body, you're accessing Kaji. Da, evo me. So whatever you're gonna be doing, sorry about this is gonna be the video, but you get the gist of it. This is what it's gonna do. So your body needs these codes enabled to function. So encode your body in a good way with what you want to connect with. Peace out, abundance.